Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the order of slides in Canva. Whether we are organizing our presentations or rearranging our designs, we will go through the steps together. Let's look at how to reorder slides easily. On the Canva presentation dashboard, these are our slides, and we want to reorder one of them. All we have to do is drag the slide to where we want to place it. For example, if the slide is at position 3 and we want to move it to number 5 or number 4, we just need to drag it. If we want to move it to the 10th slot, we just need to drag it to any position we want. We simply drag the slides to the exact spot where we want them. That's how we reorder slides in Canva. With just a few clicks, we can organize our presentations exactly the way we want.